Hey team, so this is a quick tutorial on how to do the breakout rooms. I know some of you guys were interested in that. I've done it before, so I would like to share with you guys. So basically, what you have to do is you kind of have to have a Google Doc, a document that has the title and then room 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then the home link of the original Google Meet link that you are working with the staff with. Okay, so I'll show you and I'll walk you through it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to Google. And if you go to your Google apps, there's one that's called Google Meet. Once you get there, you can go ahead and click join a meeting or start a meeting. And you can just call it room 1. Click continue. And what you're going to want to do once it gets started is you're going to right click the link up top, copy it, go back, and then this room 1, highlight it, and you see this little link button right here, link it, and then paste it. So that one's linked, right? You do the same thing for the other one. Just close it out. It's not going to go anywhere. Just repeat it again. Google Meet, join and start a meeting, room 2, continue. Same thing, you're going to start the room, grab that link upstairs, go to room 2 over here, highlight it, and link it. Apply. Okay? Same thing goes for room 3 and 4. You can just do it again. That's all it is. That's the fastest way that I know how to do it. So room 3, continue, copy it, paste it right there, link it, and go. So you could do it for 1, 2, 3, and 4. And remember, your home link, whatever is the original Google Meet link that you're working with, put it right there. That way the people can click it and they can go back to it, if that makes sense. I'll just finish it out just so you can see the full tutorial. Join and start a meeting. Room 4. Okay. Grab that link. And hyperlink. This is going to be your baby. I know Miss A Star, you had talked about like how to link stuff. That's going to be your button right there. It can work with a picture. You can make it look as creative. And then say that you need that home link one, the one that you're really going to use with the staff. You just put it there. Let me see. Join meeting. Home link. I want copy C. And then you could do it like that. You could just paste it, or like I said, you can go ahead and highlight it and link that home link to it. There you go. So basically, when you're in your staff meeting, just say, hey guys, our home link Google Meet is here, but now we're going to go into our breakout rooms. Go ahead and hang up. It's going to be okay. You're going to be able to go there and then click, if you're assigned to room 1, go to room 1, room 2, room 3, room 4. Just to add, maybe you might want to have the people like first grade goes here. You put your details. Second grade goes here, or if you want different staff members, just kind of have it planned. But that's the logistics. Okay. Thank you.